Hi guys, I'm recording this after I've edited the video. First of all, I would like to thank Cyberlord. His recoil system helped me a lot. Being a UE developer is my only job, so I need money like everyone else. I apologize for making the assets exclusive to members. You will get what I mean when you watch the video. I just wanted to explain myself. I hope you can understand. Hi everyone! Welcome to the 8th video of the realistic FPS game series. Today we are going to implement a procedural recoil pattern and a reload system. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have anything in mind, just comment down below. By the way, now we have a Discord server where you can ask your questions about tutorials and ask for help about UE. And if you become a member at Buy Me a Coffee, you will have a special role in Discord. And from now on, I will share the assets with members only. So let's start. Before we start, we need to fix 3 mistakes I've made. First, let's go to the IA_shoot action and add another trigger called released. Second, go to the animations folder and change reload animations' rate scale to 1.3. And lastly, go to the AnimBP, click on the FP_PS_idle, and enable the loop animation. Today, we are going to create 2 systems, Procedural Recoil Pattern System and the Reload event. In the Procedural Recoil Pattern System, we will add some values to our controller's pitch input every time we fire a bullet. And the values we will add will be in a pattern, so it will be possible to control the recoil. And for the reload event, we will first check the ammo to select the anim montage we will play. Then we play the anim montage we've selected. And lastly, we set the ammo to magazine size. Go to weapon_base and go to the end of the start fire. And add a timeline called recoil timeline. Get the stop fire and connect it to reverse. Go to the M1911 folder and create a new folder called Recoil Curves and open it up. Right-click, Miscellaneous, Curve, and select Curve Float. Then name it RC_M1911_pitch and open it up. Add keys as shown. Then do the same things, but now name it RC_M1911_yaw. Again, add keys as shown. Then open up the timeline, set the length to 3.5, add a float track, and name it Pitch Recoil. Then set its curve to RCM1911 pitch. Add another float track, name it Yaw Recoil, and set its curve to RCM1911 Yaw. Add a switch node from the direction. Then get our player controller and get Add Pitch Input and Add Yaw Input nodes from the forward pin. And connect the pins as shown. If your weapon is automatic, you will have something like this. It's not bad for now, but we will add more details to it. From Stop Fire, check if our fire mode is single. And if it is, then add a 0.2 second delay and connect it to reverse. Now we have recoil in single weapons too, and we will also add more details to it. In the recoil system, when we fire a bullet, We will start the timeline to add values to our controller's inputs, and we get these values from the timeline so they are not random, and players can learn the pattern and control the recoil. Lastly, when we stop the fire, we just reverse it, and if our weapon is single, we wait 0.2 seconds for recoil, then we reverse it. Select all the nodes, right-click, and collapse the nodes, and name it Fire Event. Then get our reload event. Then get reloading boolean and not bool from it. And add a branch and connect the bool. From the true output, set reloading to true. Then get the current ammo and check if it is equal to 0. From the true output, add a play montage node. Get the player ref and get first person mesh from it and connect it to the mesh of the montage node. Then get the reload anim montage from the anim montages variable. Copy and paste the montage node, use the same mesh, but this time get the reload not full anim montage from the variable. From the uninterrupted pins, add retriggerable delays and set their duration as shown. Then set reloading to false. From blend out, set the current ammo to mag size and set reloading to false. As you can see, we can reload our weapon. We also have two different reload animations. In the reload event, we first check if we are already reloading or not. Then we find the animation we want to play from our remaining ammo count. Then we play the animation montage, and when they blend out, we set the current ammo to mag size, and when the animation montages get interrupted, we add a delay, then set reloading to false to prevent spamming. Lastly, select all of the nodes, right-click, and select Collapse Nodes. Name it Reload Event. So this is it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please come to our Discord server, invite link in the description. And if you want to get the assets for tutorials and a special role on the Discord server, you can become a member of my channel by clicking on the link in the description. See you in the next videos.